Topaz Video AI 6 is now available, and there are many new features as well as access to the headline Project Starlight. And in this video, I'll show you the new features in version 6 of Video AI, as well as more tests on old compromised VHS footage from 1982. And for a limited time, Topaz is offering bonus credits for anyone purchasing Video AI version 6 with the Starlight option. Get in quick before the offer expires. The first new item is the tabs, and each tab is a self-contained group of settings, so you're able to compare different models and settings within the same window. And because tabs can be saved as presets, you can use them on the same type of footage when you're using that footage in the future. Of course, that preset can also be used as a tab. And there's an upgraded timeline that displays significantly faster. So let's see what version 6 actually looks like and what it does. I'm going to try that old band footage that I've used in many previous videos, so you'll get a comparison between the older versions of Topaz and version 6. Drag a video into the window. You could start from a preset, for example, remove noise, and you'll see that the settings have been set for you in the sidebar as NICs, dedicated denoising, and with remove noise as a preset as a tab. So let's go back to the start again, and I'll select Start Editing for a blank canvas. I'll upscale 4 times, and you'll see that Topaz is suggesting a couple of models to select. With that yellow star, I'll select the next model. I'll select Enable Parameters and then Manual, and click the estimate so that the AI in the software will give some recommendations. I'll select a section to render as a 2-second preview in the timeline, and then press Render 2 seconds, and you'll see the progress. After rendering, you'll see the original on the left of the 2-panel display, or you can select Split Screen to view in that type of layout. Now let's change the parameters. I'll increase Reduce Noise to 63 and Fix Compression to 71. Also increase to Halo and to Blur. Now let's render that for the 2-second preview. And now I'll play it after rendering with the split screen. And certainly this can be improved. Now let's try the Proteus model. Select Manual again and Estimate. I'll leave the settings at the default and press Render. Now play that and look at the split screen display. And now let's look at them side by side. So after those changes in the interface in version 6, now let's look how Starlight handles that same scene. And it can be accessed directly from the window, so you can press Try for free and you get 3 short renders for free each week, or you can use credits for longer renders. Position the selection panel over the part of the video you want to render. Press the blue Send to Cloud. And after rendering, you will get an email when it's ready to view. Simply press the Compare button. Side by side. And then with split screen. I'm going to show you some different footage in the Starlight project. This video is a VHS clip from 1982 of a car club meeting. So let's select the Starlight button and move the selection panel over the footage to test. press the blue Send to Cloud, and then after rendering, here's the results for you to compare. And finally, I'll find some faces in that car club footage and try that. What do you think? Well, let me know in the comments below. And for a limited time, Topaz is offering bonus credits for anyone purchasing Video AI version 6 with the Starlight option. Get in quick before the offer expires, and thanks for watching.